Flair Bartending FLAIR. FLAIR. We touched on it a little bit earlier about what is flair. What is flair? Not Flair Bartending. What is flair?
So the dictionary says flair is to do something, an innate ability to do something well. And then the secondary definition is stylishness and originality.
Yeah.
That's the dictionary definition. You can interpret it in many ways. From my personal own opinion, and I've been trying to answer this question for fucking 6 years, right? And I still don't feel like I'm fully there, but I can explain it better in metaphor than I can explain it normally. So somebody who can flair is somebody who is a master of their craft, whatever their craft is. If they work in a bank, if they work in retail, if they work wherever they work, just a job where they've put their 10,000 hours in, a job that has had plenty of physical repetition.
Yeah.
So for example, as a bartender,
What's the 10,000 hours?
it takes 10,000 hours to master your craft.
Cool.
As a bartender, making drinks, all night we're pouring bottles, all fucking night, thousands of times a night. Some people are totally okay with doing this every single time.
Yeah.
But some people, maybe there's a beautiful girl, maybe there's a moment where your friends come in, maybe there's a moment where the music is turning you on, or something just gives you an extra spark inside, and you, instead of doing this, you go like this.
Yeah.
And I strongly believe that the reason why bartending has a connection to flair more than any other profession is because of alcohol.
Yeah.
Because bartenders drink, and it relaxes your self-awareness, and it allows you to access the flow state, which increases creativity.
Yeah.
So flair is the rebellion against monotony. Essentially, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Some people, and not everybody can flair. Like, some people think that flair can be taught, but it's really an internal
Expression.
discovery. It's confidence. It's understanding that you are a master, and doing the same for so long is boring as fuck. It's boring as fuck, and
Agreed.
it's our inner child that's rebelling against being bored doing what they love. So by doing what they love, by adding some little sauce on top, that's flair.
Yeah.
Putting it into flair bartending, it could be the way we greet somebody. Hey, how you doing? What can I get for you? You know, it could be the way we finish a pour. You know, it could be many things, but for fuck's sake, what it is not is this.
For fuck's sake.
Fucking split snatch bollocks. That's not what it is. And it could be so many things, and it's just misdiagnosed. It's got the wrong terminology.
So now you're kind of going on to flair bartending, right?
Yeah, just because people watching are bartenders, I assume, and I'm just trying to bring it around. But flair in general is any master of his craft who is expressing their pride of their profession.
Agree. Yeah, I totally agree. And that can be in accounting even. You've seen those people on a fucking calculator. That's flair for me.
Big time.
It's flair. You're doing something with an adaptability.
You see the guys, you must have seen the Turkish ice cream man. Fucking hilarious.
Yeah.
This guy putting ice cream on the cones, and then he's playing with it. The guy keeps trying to grab the ice cream, and he's just playing with it. He's just having a fucking laugh. This guy could just do that. Thank you. Thank you. And I bet 90% of ice cream guys, they do that.
Yeah.
But this ice cream guy wants to fucking enjoy his work. And he can't do he's too bored to do this, so he rebels against the monotony. And I bet the first time he did drop it, and he caught it.
Yeah.
And then he realised, oh, I can do it and caught it and make them go, oh, and it's funny. And they like it. And then he realised another one, and then over time it built up. And that's how flair organically started.
For sure.
But flair bartending competitions, which should be called bartending tricks competitions, because they just do tricks, which is cool, because tricks are cool, and if people like it, so that's awesome. But it's not flair. Flair is somebody who knows their environment very well. Somebody who has worked in this exact spot.
Flair bartending.
For thousands of hours, yes.
Yeah.
So I know exactly where the Disaronno is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's not that one.
I know it's not my studio. This is not my bar, but you know what I mean? And that's the problem with event bartending, because they pay you to be a Flair bartender and you go into this environment where you've never been before and everything is like sporadically apart and you find yourself working like looking for stuff. Where's that thing? Over there. And everything is really around, and then to make up for it, you end up just going like this to...
Well, that's what it comes down to at the end, is that people go, oh, do the tricks.
But the tricks would happen organically if this bar was everything you knew. Pack, tact,